Alright, go ahead.
How do you fix your filters when they got a hole on them? Oh, he ain't got nothing. Good old duct tape works. Hopefully it stops the leak. Might like to stop leak. It didn't work with shit either. But you never know.
It'll work for the...
Okay, well, fuck. Hurry up and rip it off.
Tear it off your end.
Oh, motherfucker, you were
What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Roll it back on?
You were already ripping it. Damn.
That's how we fix it on the old Hoopty Derby car.
Hey, they got hey, DJ. They got it set up right there. That white can.
The top three from this event go to the finals now. The top three, the first two out, will be out for good. His left wheel, left rear is a little short.
Now I got proof on it. We're fucking sure that's gonna do. Then I got one more. One of them over there. That's all I got to it.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Hold on. That's all she wrote right there.